Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I'm Lauren, and we are officially in the season of love. So today we are making a very special s'mores lava cake, and it gets baked in the air fryer. So this is a really simple recipe. We will be using our graham cracker extract, our vanilla extract. Those are both going to go into the cake. And I've also made a little bit of ice cream to pair this with using our marshmallow extract. So you get the graham cracker and chocolate in the actual cake and the marshmallow s'mores aspect in the ice cream. So let's get to whipping up some lava cakes. So like I said, this recipe is very easy. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your chocolate and butter, put them together, and we are going to melt them until they're smooth. Start with 30 seconds. After that, just 15-second increments, because you don't want your butter to bubble and explode, and you don't want this to like boil over in the microwave, because that's really not fun to clean up. So we have our melted chocolate and butter here. Next up, we will be adding our eggs. So I have a whole egg and a egg yolk. And next, I'm going to add in some sugar, a pinch of salt, and we're going to add in the graham cracker extract. You just need half a teaspoon for this. Do not use any more than that. The first time I tried this recipe, I used an entire teaspoon. And let me tell you, that was a lot of graham cracker flavor. So this small amount really gives you really bold graham cracker flavor without overdoing it. And it smells incredible too. It smells really good. And then of course, a teaspoon of vanilla, because what's a lava cake without a little vanilla? All right, and I'm just gonna blend this up with a hand mixer. Okay, so this is nice and combined. I'm going to add in our chocolate and butter mixture now. I'm going to pour it in very slowly while mixing. You don't want this hot chocolate to start cooking your eggs. I'm just gonna scrape out all the rest from the bottom here. Make sure we get all of the chocolate. This is a chocolate lava cake. You need every last drop. And then one more last good mix. Okay, that looks great. We are going to add in the flour now. This is just 3 tablespoons of flour. You really don't need much for this recipe. That is what makes it nice and gooey in the middle, is to not overload it with flour and make it fluffy. So we're just gonna pour it in and mix it lightly until just combined. You don't wanna overmix it. All right, perfect. And our next step here is going to be filling our ramekins and popping them in the air fryer. I have some pre-greased ramekins right here. I might only use 3 of these because it does just make a small amount of batter. We want to make sure we're making a nice and thick lava cake so you get all of that delicious lava spilling out when these are cooked. So I'm just going to use a cookie scoop, scoop it in. If you have smaller ramekins, you can make more. If you have larger ones, you can make less. All right, there you have it. Next, we're going to pop these into the air fryer. So next, all you're gonna do is use your air fryer basket, pop these in, and we will be air frying these at 370 for 8 to 10 minutes. Typically, I feel that 8 minutes is perfect. So here is our finished s'mores lava cake. I have plated this with a scoop of my marshmallow ice cream. I will link that below for you as well. We have a super simple ice cream recipe you can follow. Just substitute the flavor for our marshmallow extract. You could use our toast marshmallow artisan or compounds, whatever you have on hand. It is super interchangeable. I'm also going to do a little extra finishing touch on this. I'm going to sprinkle it with a little powdered sugar. I think it just looks really pretty. You could also plate this with some fresh fruit, maybe some fresh strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, anything you have. I mean, fruit and chocolate goes really, really well together. So, the moment of truth. Should I give it a try? I think I should because it smells really good. Let's see. Cut this open for you. Okay, yeah. That looks incredible. You can see all of the lava coming out of there. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. I'm drooling. Okay, time for an actual bite. I don't want to burn myself though. Oh my gosh, this is so good. And that was such an easy recipe to make. I really need to make this for my entire family, especially my mom, because I think I inherited her absolute love of all things deep chocolate. So this is great. I mean, make it for your honey for Valentine's Day. Make it for your kids. Bring it to work for your coworkers. Everybody likes a little sweet treat. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a brand new recipe. You can also find us on social media at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. We will see you next time. Bye-bye. Happy Valentine's Day.